Are you bored with the default Windows 11 taskbar? What if you could give it a clean, modern look with smooth animations and a dock-style design, all in just a few minutes? In this video, I'll show you how to transform the default Windows 11 taskbar into something that looks much more polished and modern. The first thing we need to do is install Windhawk. Open your web browser and search for Windhawk. Then open the official website. Click the download button to download the latest version. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. The installation only takes a minute. After the installation, Windhawk will open automatically for the first time. This is the Windhawk interface. First, go to the Explore section. You'll see a huge collection of mods here, but today we're only going to install 3 of them. Let's start with Windows Taskbar Styler. Click Details, then click Install, and finally accept and install. The mod will be installed almost instantly. If Windows asks for permission, simply click Yes. Now go back to the Explore section and search for Taskbar Dock Animation. This mod adds smooth animations to your taskbar. Just like before, click Details, then Install, and accept and install. As soon as the installation finishes, you'll notice the animation is applied automatically. Next, go back once again and open taskbar height and icon size. Click Install, then accept and install. Now let's customize the taskbar. Open Windows 11 Taskbar Styler. Go to Settings. Scroll all the way down to the Theme section, select Surface, and then click Save Settings. Your taskbar will change immediately, but it doesn't look very good yet. That's because we still need to adjust its size. Open taskbar height and icon size again and go to Settings. Set the taskbar height to around 70. Change the icon size to 24, and set the taskbar button width to 47. Once you're done, click Save Settings. Now your taskbar should have a much cleaner and smoother appearance. We're not finished yet. Right-click the taskbar and open Taskbar Settings. Change the search option to Search Icon Only, then turn Widgets off. Just those 2 changes make the taskbar look much cleaner. And that's it! Your Windows 11 taskbar now has a much cleaner, smoother, and more modern look. If you ever want to go back to the default Windows taskbar, simply open Windhawk and uninstall or disable the mods you installed. Your original taskbar will be restored in just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.